So this is a Fluke 15B Plus. I don't think they make these anymore, but I broke it. And I'll tell you how easy it is. We'll try and fix it in a minute. But Lockie, he had a leak, a current leak on his car, and I measured it by going from there to there, and that says that it's fused 10 amps. And I thought, it's not going to be more than 10 amps, all right? And if it is, the fuse will blow. And we disconnected a few things, and I was measuring about 1 amp current draw with everything switched off, you see. And I was faffing around because you've got on most multimeters, like this one as well, we've got volts AC. Well, you don't get AC much in a car. Well, you would off the alternator, I suppose. But DC, if you're into ham radio, a lot of your stuff is 13.8 volts DC. You know, we've got millivolts as well to get even more accuracy. And then I'll put this in the right one. And then we've got resistance. So if we hold these together, it's 0.6, 0.7 ohms with these test leads. And if you press that button, so that's really handy. You know, you want to go, it's my little patch lead here working. You can go from there to there. You get a bleep, but it also tell us it's 0.7 ohms. Right. So we're faffing around. Whoops. I had it on current. And I thought I was measuring the voltage across the terminals. But in fact, what I was doing is I shorted it out and I've blown up the current. Everything else works, just this. So I went on the internet and I discovered that you can fix the current by replacing a fuse. It's quite a big fuse, so we went and got one. So we'll have a look inside. By the way, I don't think these are still for sale. I found it on the Fluke USA website, $129, sorry. Which is about right. Okay, I've got a cheaper one. In fact, I'm just about to make a review of a dirt cheap multimeter. It'd be great for a starter ham shack person. But let's undo the back, which I haven't done yet, so this will all be a bit new for me. Comes with a couple of batteries, and it says there's 2 screws. Interesting enough, I was trying to use this one, but it doesn't go in. I guess, yeah, it's slipping. I use a tiny screwdriver. I don't have a macro lens. I'm only undoing a couple of screws, okay? And I can feel they're embedded into the plastic. And I'm guessing this grey piece will drop out. We'll find out. Don't tell me it's going to be one of these videos where Callum completely screws it up. Oh, it does. The whole cover comes off. I didn't know that. Oh, there's even more screws. Okay, well, let's do the rest then. Aha, I'm guessing that's it there, sir. All right, let's pop it out. We will test this fuse. Well, we fix it. So that's the bad one. I'll put it on my phone. Put the new one in. And put it back together. Modern manufacturing at its finest. Yeah, I'd blown the fuse. Now, interesting enough, I've got an old multimeter, a German multimeter, and the 10 amp circuit was not fused. And I blew up a really expensive piece of equipment as a young engineer. I said to my, and it was 1,500 quid then. So that's probably about a £10,000 piece of equipment. And that's the first time that I truly smelt what magic smoke tastes like. There we are. How to fix a Fluke Multimeter 15B Plus. May the force be with you. I'll see you on the next video. All the best now.